Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to crop beautiful shapes in Canva. Let's go. First create a new design and change the background color. I choose gray. Then upload your photo or find a nice picture in the Canva library. I use this beautiful husky dog. Adjust the size and the position as you want and crop out unwanted parts. Then all you need to do is click on your picture and then on edit. Then scroll down a little bit and click on shape cropper. Same as me in the video. After choosing a new shape, you can zoom your picture, you can drag until you find the perfect position, then scroll down and click on add to design. You can repeat the process now for any shape you can find in the shape cropper. Just choose your picture and go to shape cropper again. After finishing all the new shapes, you can add a shadow or a glow as me in the video. In the end, you can use the shapes as they are, but you can also put them together, zoom and drag and drop them, so it will be a perfect image. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.